Imagine being able to buy and sell Bitcoin and altcoins with deep liquidity, low fees, and no verification. Sounds good? Let's break it down. In this video, I'm Lady Trader and I'll show you everything you need to know about spot trading. How to sign up, how to deposit funds, how to withdraw, and how to place trades. This exchange is quickly gaining popularity thanks to its no KYC policy, making it a convenient option for traders worldwide. At the same time, it offers low fees and clean, user-friendly interface, perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. Today, we're focusing only on spot trading. We'll cover features and advanced strategies in a separate video. Let's get started! After signing up or logging in, you land on the main dashboard. The first thing I recommend, secure your account. If someone gets access to your login and password, they can control your funds. Go to the security section and enable Google Authenticator. This adds an extra layer of protection, with one-time codes for logins and withdrawals. Now, let's move to trading. On the homepage, you'll see a list of markets, trending coins, top gainers, and volume leaders. At the top, you can switch between spot and futures. Spot trading means you can actually buy the asset. Futures trading means you trade contracts and use leverage. Today, we focus only on spot. Before trading, you need to fund your account. Choose your cryptocurrency, for example, USDT. Select the network carefully. If you choose the wrong network, your funds can be lost. Copy the deposit address or scan the QR code and send funds. Once confirmed, your balance will appear. Now, let's trade. Go to the spot section, choose BTC USDT. Enter amount and click Buy. Your Bitcoin appears instantly. Now, limit order. Set your price, choose amount, click Sell. Order waits until price is reached. You can cancel anytime. Fees, limit 0%, market 0.1%. Withdraw. Select asset, choose network, past address. Confirm withdrawal. That's it. Now you understand spot trading. This is Lady Trader and see you in the next video.